Hello everyone, and welcome back to Green Gold Database Academy. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most essential and frequently used commands in Linux, the cd command. If you've ever wondered how to move between directories, access files, or navigate the Linux file system quickly and efficiently, this video is for you. By the end, you'll master not just the basics, but also some handy tricks to make your Linux experience smoother. So, let's get started. The cd command stands for change directory, and it is used to navigate the file system in Linux. With cd, you can switch to different directories, move to parent directories, return to your home directory, and even jump to the last directory you were in. It's simple but incredibly powerful for everyday tasks. Now we will see practical demo of using cd command on Linux operating system. Let's start with the basics. To move into a specific directory, type cd followed by the directory name. For example, this will move you into the /usr/bin directory. You can verify your current location by typing. The pwd command displays their present working directory. If you want to return to your home directory, simply type cd. Or you can also use command cd ~. Both commands will take you back to the home directory, which is where your personal files and folders are stored. Verify your current location by typing pwd. The pwd command is displaying the home directory as your present working directory now. To move one level up to the parent directory, use command cd ~. For example, if you're in /home/oracle, running command cd ~, will take you to /oracle. This is particularly useful for navigating up the directory tree. Want to quickly switch back to the directory you were just in? Use the cd command - option. For example, if you were in /home/oracle directory and moved to home, typing command cd- will take you back to /home/oracle directory. This is a great shortcut for toggling between two directories. Environment variables can make navigation easier. For instance, command echo $home is displaying value in environment variable home. cd $home command will take you to your home directory because $home is an environment variable that points to it. Similarly, you can use $old pwd to move to the last used directory. cd $old pwd. This is equivalent to using cd -. If a directory has spaces in its name, you need to use quotes or escape the space with a \. For example, using double quotes to navigate a directory name with space. cd my documents. Using double quotes to navigate a directory name with space. This ensures the command interprets the name correctly. Linux has a handy feature called Tab Autocompletion. Using cd command, navigate to your home directory. Use ls command to list files and directories in your home directory. I have a directory pictures in my home directory. If you want to navigate to Pictures directory, you can type cd pi and press Tab. It will automatically complete the directory name for you. You can use either absolute or relative paths with the cd command. Absolute path starts from the root directory. For example, when we want to navigate to /usr/bin directory, then we can use absolute path like this. Relative path starts from your current directory, e.g. navigate to home directory. Type command cd documents to move to directory documents inside your home directory. And that's a wrap on the cd command. It's a simple but incredibly powerful tool for navigating the Linux file system. Whether you're jumping between directories, accessing files, or using environment variables, mastering CD will save you a ton of time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to, and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. Got any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.